welcome again. So today we're going to be learning how to tie the rope when the ship is going down and how to tie the rope if the ship is coming up. Remember, tying the rope in maritime language simply means making fast. And this time around I am on the back of the ship, which is the aft. So we are trying to tie the rope at the aft of the ship, putting into consideration when the ship is going down low water, when we have high water the ship is rising. So I'm going to show you first of all when the ship is there's a low water and the ship is going down. So you bring the rope like this and it's quite easy, my favorite. And as you can see, this rope is under this one. So when the ship is going down, it's not going to affect the two ropes. It's not going to cause breakage. And then you're going to go ahead and make the fast. Like I said, fast means tying the rope. So you're going to go ahead and tie the rope. And then once you're done, you signal the captain and tell him backline fast. So I'm going to show you how to tie the rope when we have high water if the ship is going up. So as you can see, this line this time around is up, which means that if the boat goes up, there won't be any collision between the two lines or any tide or any breakage. So once you're done, you're gonna slowly make your fast. So this is how to make fast when the ship is going up, and I told you how to make the fast when the ship is going down. And also I told you walking on the ship is very dangerous. So safety is the #1 watchword for any beginner sailor walking on a cargo ship. You want to make sure that safety is paramount. You want to make sure that when you're tying the ropes, you have your hand gloves on. I don't have the hand gloves now because I'm just making this video, but in a real life situation, you want to have your hand gloves on. You want to have your jacket on. You also want to have your radio on, always communicating with the captain. Remember, I'm just a beginner sailor with no experience in maritime sailing, but I had a passion, and I'm taking a baby step to learn